Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Online English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
And I'm Max. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Max. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm wonderful. I'm really excited about today's topic, Max.
Me too. This is something so many English learners struggle with.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. It really helps us.
And please share our podcast with your friends and family who are learning English.
It helps us reach more people. Thank you so much.
Okay, Max, are you ready?
I am ready.
So, what is our topic today?
Let's do this. Today, our topic is how to stop thinking and start speaking English.
This is such an important topic. So many people have this problem.
They do. They know the words, they know the grammar, but when it's time to speak,
They freeze. They think too much.
exactly, they translate from their language to English in their head.
And then they feel nervous and don't speak at all.
Yes, so today we will help everyone with this problem.
We will make it simple and easy.
Perfect. So where do we start?
Let's start with the main problem. Max, why do people think too much when speaking English?
Good question. I think the biggest reason is they want to be perfect.
Perfect. Yes, that's a big problem.
They're afraid to make mistakes.
But mistakes are okay. Mistakes help us learn.
That's right. Nobody is perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes.
That's true. I make mistakes in English all the time.
Me too, and English is my first language.
So, the first tip is don't worry about being perfect.
Yes, let go of perfection. Just speak.
I love that. Just speak. Don't think, just speak.
Exactly. Now, another reason people think too much is translation.
Oh, yes, translation in the head.
They think in their language first, then translate to English.
This takes too much time.
It does, and it makes speaking very slow and difficult.
So, what's the solution?
The solution is to think in English.
Think in English. But how?
Start small. Start with simple thoughts.
Can you give an example?
Sure. When you wake up in the morning, think, I am awake. I am tired. I need coffee.
Oh, I like that. Simple sentences in your mind.
Yes, don't translate. Just think directly in English.
What about during the day?
During the day, describe what you see. For example, the sky is blue. The car is red. I am walking.
That's brilliant. You are practicing all the time.
Exactly. The more you think in English, the easier speaking becomes.
Because your brain gets used to English.
Yes, it becomes natural. You don't need to translate anymore.
I love this tip. Think in English every day.
Even just 5 minutes a day helps.
Absolutely. Okay, what's the next tip?
The next tip is about confidence.
Confidence. That's so important.
Many people are too shy to speak English.
They think people will laugh at them.
Or they think people will judge them.
But the truth is, most people are very kind.
Yes, most people are happy you are trying to speak English.
They don't care about small mistakes.
They just want to communicate with you.
So, how can people build confidence?
Practice with friends. Start with people you trust.
That's a great idea. Friends are patient and supportive.
You can also practice alone. Talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself? Really?
Yes, it sounds funny, but it works.
How do you do it?
You can describe your day. Today I went to the store. I bought apples and bread. The weather was nice.
Oh, like a diary, but speaking instead of writing.
Exactly. You can do it while cooking or cleaning.
Nobody is listening, so there's no pressure.
Right. It's just you and English.
I think this is wonderful. No fear, no stress.
And you build confidence every time you speak.
Even if nobody is there.
Yes, your brain is still practicing.
Okay, we have 3 tips so far. Don't be perfect, think in English, and build confidence.
Great summary. Now let's talk about vocabulary.
Vocabulary. This is important too.
Some people don't speak because they think they don't know enough words.
Wait until they learn more and more words.
But you don't need to know every word to speak.
That's true. You can communicate with simple words.
For example, if you don't know the word exhausted, you can say very, very tired.
Yes, use the words you already know.
Don't wait for the perfect word. Use a simple word.
Communication is more important than using big words.
Exactly. The goal is to share your idea.
If the other person understands you, you did a great job.
Yes, so use what you know. Don't be afraid.
And if you don't know a word, you can ask.
Yes, you can say, how do you say, or what is the word for?
People are usually happy to help.
They are. It shows you want to learn.
This is very encouraging.
Now let's talk about grammar.
Oh, grammar. Many people worry too much about grammar.
They do. They think every sentence must be grammatically perfect.
But when you speak, small grammar mistakes are okay.
Yes, native speakers make grammar mistakes too when they speak.
The important thing is to communicate your message.
If someone understands you, the grammar doesn't matter so much.
Of course, grammar is important for learning.
Yes, you should study grammar, but when you speak, don't stop to check every rule.
Just speak naturally.
Exactly. You can fix grammar later.
First, practice speaking. Build fluency.
Then, over time, your grammar will improve naturally.
Because you hear yourself speak and you learn from practice.
Yes, speaking and grammar improve together.
Okay, so don't worry too much about grammar when speaking.
Right. Focus on communication first.
I think our listeners will feel much better hearing this.
Now, let's talk about listening.
Listening. How does listening help speaking?
Listening helps a lot. When you listen to English, you learn natural phrases.
Oh, I see. You learn how people really talk.
Yes, not from textbooks, but from real conversations.
So what should people listen to?
Podcasts like ours are great.
Thank you. Yes, podcasts are very helpful.
You can also watch English videos, movies, or TV shows.
Listen to English music, too.
Yes, the more you listen, the more you learn natural English.
And then when you speak, those phrases come naturally.
Exactly. Your brain remembers what it hears.
So listening and speaking work together.
They do. You can't have one without the other.
That makes sense.
Now here's an important tip. Speak English every day.
Every day?
Yes, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Consistency is important.
It is. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Your brain needs regular practice.
Yes, it's like exercise. You need to do it regularly.
What if someone doesn't have anyone to practice with?
There are many ways. You can join online groups.
There are apps for language exchange.
Yes, you can find a partner who wants to learn your language.
You help them, they help you.
Perfect exchange. It's free and helpful.
You can also record yourself speaking.
That's a great idea. You can listen and check your progress.
And you can hear your mistakes and improve.
Exactly. Recording yourself is very powerful.
These are all wonderful tips.
Let me summarize everything. First, don't be perfect. Just speak.
Second, think in English. Don't translate.
Third, build confidence. Practice with friends or alone.
Fourth, use simple words. Don't wait for perfect vocabulary.
Fifth, don't worry too much about grammar when speaking.
Sixth, listen to English every day.
And seventh, practice speaking every single day.
Even just 5 minutes.
These 7 tips will help you stop thinking and start speaking.
The most important thing is to start.
Yes, don't wait. Start today.
Every journey begins with one step.
Or, in this case, with one word.
Just say something. Anything.
Hello. Good morning. How are you?
Simple is good. Simple is perfect.
Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect.
It's about communication. It's about connection.
It's about sharing your thoughts and ideas.
And making friends from all over the world.
That's the beauty of English.
It connects us all.
So, to all our listeners, please be brave.
Speak English. Don't be afraid.
Make mistakes. It's okay.
Learn from mistakes. That's how we grow.
And most importantly, have fun.
Yes, learning English should be fun.
Not stressful, not scary, just fun.
Well, I think our time is up for today.
This was a really great conversation.
I hope it was helpful for everyone.
Before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a favor.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Online English Podcast.
Yes, and give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It helps more people find our podcast.
And please share it with anyone who is learning English.
We want to help as many people as possible.
Now for our question of the day.
We want you to practice speaking right now.
Go to the comment section below and write one sentence in English.
It can be about anything, your name, your day, or your feelings.
For example, hello, my name is, or today I learned, or I like to.
Don't think too much, just write.
We will read all your comments.
And we might reply to you too.
We can't wait to hear from you.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you so much. You are amazing.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and stop thinking.
Start speaking.
We will be back soon with another fun episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Lily.
Bye, Max.